Okay, so we will see the another problem in slab based design. So same problem, similar method, similar procedure, only changes are the values only. So if you remember the procedure of slab based plate, so what are the 8 steps which I have discussed? So same method and same procedure. So but here previous section we have taken heavier beam, but here to ISEMC to ISEMC. So it is nothing but medium channel section. Previous problem heavy beam. So now to Indian standard medium channel section. So channel section is nothing but it is the shape of like this. Two channel sections. Okay. So two channel sections and the distance of channel sections is 150 mm. Distance of channel section is 150 mm. And the load, axial load, so not factor load, here axial load P 1500 kilonewtons. Next, safe bearing capacity 200 kilonewton per meter square. So first you should write the given data and properties of given section. So properties of given section, ISMC 400 at the rate 489 Newton per meter. So here the values which are taken from table book page number 5. Page number 5, we will get the values of ISMC 400. So D, TF, TW, BF. So enough. Depth, thickness of flange, thickness of hub, width of line. So first step we always know bearing strength of concrete. So bearing strength of concrete is 0.45 FCK. 0.45 FCK. So FCK is nothing but grade of concrete 20 which has given. So 0.45 into 20 we have got the value of 9 Newton per mm square. Next step area of slab base. So P by 0.45 FCK. But here we got the value of load is axial load. So we should convert the load into factor load 1.5 into which is given axial load 1.5 into 1500. We have got the value of 2250 kilonewtons. So now 2250 kilonewtons into 10 cube by 9. We have got the value of 0.25 meters. 0.25 meters. So here third step is size of slab base. So same we will take square base plate. So L is equal to B is equal to root A, that is 0.25, which we have got the area value 0.25. So 0.25, that is 500 mm. So we will increase the size. So 500 mm to approximately 550 mm we have taken and providing 550 mm by 550 mm size of slab base plate. This is the slab base plate 550 mm by 550 mm size of slab base plate. Okay. So intensity pressure we have discussed it. Omega is W is equal to P by A1. A1 is nothing but required provided area. Here required area. Here A1 is provided area. So provided area is nothing but we have the provided the slab base plate of 550 by 550. So load 2250 into 10 cube by A1 550 by 550. We have got the value of 7.44, which is less than 9 Newton per mm square. Hence safe. So intensity pressure also we have calculated. Next, thickness of slab. So page number 53 code book, same we have got the value of root 25 2.5 W A square minus 0.3 B square gamma m naught by F5. So here larger projection, B smaller projection. L is nothing but slab base plate length 550 minus BF 350 width of flange. So here 350 is nothing but this is the 350 distance. Okay, 350. So total 100 plus 150 plus 100. So this is the width of line. So here we will take the value of BF is nothing but don't take directly 100 mm. Don't take directly 100 mm. Previous problem we have only single heavy beam. So we have taken the value of BF. But here we have taken two channel sections. So total width of flange means 100 plus 150 plus 100. That is 350 by 2. We have got 100 mm. Next, smaller projection B is equal to width of slab minus height of section. Width of slab minus 550 minus height. So height is nothing but which is the we have taken ISMC 400, that is the depth value. So 550 minus 400 by 2 we have taken 75. So A B and W and gamma m0 and Fi. We have know all the values. So substituting we will get some 27 point something value. So I have taken round figure 28 mm which is greater than TF, which is greater than TF. So providing, so we have provided the slab base of 550 mm, 550 mm 28. So provide 550 by 550 by 28 mm size base plate. So here in this question it was asked to provide only bolts or rivets, no need of welding. So directly we can consider providing two Indian standard angle section 90 by 90 by 12 mm which is suitable, or 4 20 mm bolts or rivets, 4 20 mm bolts or rivet. If in case welding is asked, so like previous problem, length available for welding, strength of welding, and we calculate the welding size as LW into TT into gamma m0 by Fy into root 3, or same process. And similar which we have done previous problem, design of concrete pedestal, same here also do the problem for concrete design, concrete pedestal design. So assuming self height, next area size of concrete pedestal, similar method. So this is the one of the method for slab base. So check it is channel section or heavy beam and do the procedure of 8 steps which is similar method for slab base plate. Okay, thank you.